Should you whoosh your smartphone, tablet, or smartwatch? Whoosh! Diamond Defense is a heavily marketed product on Amazon, which means it has to be good, right? In short, I'd get the Diamond Defense if I wanted maximum protection for my device on top of a case and a normal screen protector. Liquid screen protectors, from my perspective, aren't a standalone product when it comes to screen protection. Honestly, the only upside is the fact that you can add a tiny bit of protection to all your devices by slathering the Diamond Defense across everything. If you want all the details for liquid screen protectors, do check out my extremely detailed video about liquid screen protectors.
Real usage, real reviews. Mobile Reviews A.ca.
And Mobile Reviews A, Monty and I, this cute pup, base all our reviews on actual usage. This video isn't sponsored by Whoosh, so that means I get to tell you whatever I want. One of the things I wanted to find out about this product is whether or not it fills in cracks or scratches. Now, from my understanding, every liquid screen protector is generally the same. It's made from silicone dioxide, or SiO2. That's, well, liquid glass. You're basically adding a thin layer of glass to your existing old glass. Installation of the Diamond Defense is quite simple. First, you clean your device by rubbing it down with an alcohol wipe. Then you apply the screen protector by using a wet wipe found in the package called Nano liquid. Once you covered your device with the fluid from the wet wipe, you wait a few minutes for it to dry, and then you buff your screen with the included microfiber cloth. You can do this as many times as you want, apparently according to their instructions. The wet wipe installation is why it says it fits all smartphones. According to Whoosh, the product doesn't result in bubbles either. In fact, regular screen protectors, the adhesive is so good now that you probably won't suffer from bubbles, so I guess that's kind of it's not a selling point anymore. Now, Whoosh doesn't tell you this, but liquid screen protectors will take between 20 to 48 hours to fully cure. Now, the footage you're seeing right now is my attempt at trying to see if liquid screen protectors would lessen the cracks in this iPhone X screen protector. I did not see a noticeable difference before or after the screen protector was applied. I believe at this very moment of this video clip, I was thinking Whoosh could have given me 2 actual alcohol wet wipes and I wouldn't have known any different. Now, how about scratches? Here's my Apple Watch Series 3 after applying the Diamond Defense, and the giant gash across the front is still quite giant and ugly. So it definitely doesn't feel like cracks or scratches. It's not like one of those tents that you see in the mall parking lot that's manned by university students trying to fix the dings in your windshield. No, it doesn't do that, unfortunately. Now, one of the selling features of the Diamond Defense is that it claims that it provides superior scratch resistance. Now, logically, if a wet wipe did come with a liquid glass, I am technically adding another layer of glass to my device, which would be extra scratch protection. But here's the thing, Diamond Defense basically fuses with the existing glass, so you can't take it off. So if you manage to scratch that thin layer of glass, it's going to look like you've permanently damaged your smartphone screen. Which is probably why Whoosh has a disclaimer on the back that claims that, well, it doesn't make your screen 100% scratch proof. Superior scratch resistance that isn't 100% scratch proof. I love marketing fluff. If you're finding this video useful, considering getting all your stuff through my Amazon links. It doesn't really matter what I've linked it to, just as long as you use my link to get to Amazon. That's basically the only way I make money. So if you guys stop doing that, I stop making videos. Tier. Whoosh also placed a sticker on my box saying that it makes screens up to 15 times stronger. I was unable to test that claim as I didn't have the foresight to do what I did with the Crystal Tech Nano 2.0 liquid screen protector. So if you want to see how strong 15 to 30 molecules of glass is, do check out the, again, full review video where I do a ton of crap to a ton of other devices. The last thing I will say is that the Whoosh doesn't market the supposed oleophobic properties of their liquid screen protector, which is odd since Spigen and Crystal Tech do. Good on them, because I'm really not quite sure liquid screen protectors actually add oleophobic protection to any smartphone. So that's all I got for this video. If you have any questions or comments, we'll leave them down there. Again, do check out the full liquid screen protector video as I go through a lot more stuff than this short, 5 to 6 minute video. First time you're watching my videos, I do encourage you to click subscribe. Produce content at least once a week, we'll say. So, lots of high quality stuff, and all the stuff I do is based on actual usage. Very little sponsored stuff here, so